I used to throw away the shell of watermelon until my husband told me something I never knew. Watermelons are juicy and rich in nutrients. This sweet fruit is everything you need in hot summer days. But, do you tend to use its rind as well? Unfortunately, the rind ends up in the trash can. What you don't know is the fact that watermelon rinds are healthier than the fruit itself. The white part of the rind is packed with healthy nutrients, and it's definitely something you should add to your menu. Yes, we know it's a bit tasteless, but the rind is rich in vitamins A, B6, C, and minerals such as potassium, zinc, and magnesium. It's an excellent source of lycopene, a brilliant antioxidant. Watermelon rind contains citrulline. This amino acid builds strong and healthy muscles. Fiber in watermelon rinds promotes weight loss. Did you know that citrulline soothes nerves and aids in the treatment of anxiety? The rind is mostly water, which makes it an excellent diuretic. It flushes out toxins and excess water. Need an efficient immunity booster? Just make sure the rind ends up in your smoothie. Watermelon rinds makes for a nice addition to salads. It works well with tuna and turkey. Do you need more reasons to use watermelon rinds more often? No? Well, that's what I thought.